Hurricane Milton hits in 2024? Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Hurricane Milton, which is making headlines as it approaches in 2024. We'll cover everything from its predicted impact to what you can do to stay safe. So, grab a snack, and let's get into it. Hurricane Milton is not just another storm, it's shaping up to be a significant challenge for many communities. Just imagine the sheer force of wind and rain that can uproot trees, flood streets, and disrupt power supplies. Local infrastructure, such as roads and bridges, could face serious damage, making evacuations and emergency response efforts incredibly difficult. What's more, small towns and cities that may not have the resources to prepare for such a storm could be hit the hardest. We need to be aware of the social and economic challenges that come with natural disasters like Milton. Are emergency services ready? Are residents prepared? These are crucial questions we must consider as we brace for Milton's arrival. Now, let's explore how Hurricane Milton is developing. Meteorologists have been closely monitoring its formation. Currently, it's forming over warm waters, which fuels its intensity. Predictions show that Milton could follow a path similar to past hurricanes, potentially hitting densely populated areas. As of now, it's still early, but tracking its movements is vital. We're looking at various data points, wind speeds, atmospheric pressure, and even sea surface temperatures, that give us insights into how strong this storm could get. The more we know about its predicted path, the better we can prepare. So, keep your eyes peeled for updates. Let's talk about the moment when Hurricane Milton reaches its peak intensity. This is the time when the storm's winds could reach catastrophic levels, and that's when we need to pay the most attention. Imagine wind speeds exceeding 130 miles per hour. This could lead to severe structural damage and life-threatening conditions for anyone caught in the storm's path. It's crucial to have a plan in place. Evacuation orders may come swiftly, and knowing where to go and what to take can make all the difference. The peak intensity of a hurricane is a pivotal moment, and being prepared could save lives. So, to wrap things up, we've covered a lot about Hurricane Milton and what it could mean for us in 2024. From the challenges it poses to communities and infrastructure to the importance of being prepared, it's clear that awareness is key. As we head into hurricane season, let's remember to stay informed and ready for anything. What do you think about Hurricane Milton? Have you experienced a hurricane before? I'd love to hear your thoughts or stories in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on weather events or learn more about emergency preparedness, make sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay safe, everyone.